Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and click all notification option so that you will get all my new updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 5 different types of earrings. Earrings with air dry clay. Earring symbolizes womanhood. If you love to wear different types of earrings or you have to gift to someone, I'm sure this video will be helpful. I have used toothpick to make some textures and I'm going to use this chamka base to make one earring out of 5. Before starting, you will need some basic jewelry making materials. So this is a plier. If you don't have one, you can use cutter cum plier, which will be available in everybody's home. So first one is this ring type hook. You can open and close in this way. And this one is a stud base. If you don't love hook models, you can use this. This one is a basic hook. This one is in connecting rings, which are very important. This one is an eye pin. If you don't have any of this, just buy wires like this and you can make your own. So let's get started. This is the first one. As Fevicryl air dry clay will have 2 parts, you have to take equal amount of them and knead it well before working on them. Use talcum powder to avoid stickiness. So take some clay, roll it, make them flat. Now using any cutter or knife, cut this into one rectangle shape. Now use this as a stencil to get a similar piece. Watch my video without skipping so that you will know all important steps, and don't forget to subscribe. Here I will give you a tip. While working on with one piece, put the other piece in an airtight box, or you can use some glass bowl like this. Now take any scale or this type of tool and split it into 2 halves. Now using toothpick, I'm giving some textures at one side alone. Now take an eye pin. Take a drop of Fevicol, dip the eye pin in that and insert it to the rectangle piece so that you can insert hooks in that. You have loops on the top. Now roll some clay and fix it at the center. Using any pointed tool, press it. Now do the same for other piece and allow it to dry. Now it's time to paint. I'm using yellow, pink and blue. Coloring is your choice. You can customize it according to your outfits. I'm using 3 colors to match my outfit. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. Now blue for the center. Now let it dry. I'm using this basic hook. Open the loop, attach it to the top and press it. I have covered all the earrings with varnish, or you can even use clear nail paint so that you can protect the color. This is the second one. This is very simple one and this is my favorite. So again, roll some clay. Using any cap like this, make 2 round shapes. Now using knife, cut a portion of triangle like this. And just roll it in this way to make a cone shape at the center. Now use Fevicol or any glue to fix this. And you're done. Use toothpick or needle to put hole so that you can insert hooks. Now let it dry. To get a lime green shade, I'm taking 4 parts of lime yellow and a drop of dark blue color to match my outfit. So this is the base color. Paint them both sides. Here goes the another tip. Use toothpick to hold the earring base so that you can paint it without any mess. Using dark blue for the center. Now let's attach hooks. Ring type hooks goes well with this piece. You can even use basic hooks. Just insert it like this. And the earrings is ready to use. Now cover them with clear varnish or clear nail paint to protect the color. So the third one is also a simple one to make. Just roll some clay, cut it to this shape. Now I'm going to just fold it like this, in this way. You can take the help of toothpick or any refills to get a loop, to get a bend like this. Now cut the down portion in this way. Yes, that's all about the shape. Make another similar one. Use toothpick or needle to put the hole and allow it to dry. Once dried completely, you can paint them. I need a pinkish orange color, so I'm taking a light pink shade, 3 parts of light pink and 2 drops of orange, and I mix with those colors to get this shade to match my outfit. After painting to highlight the bends, I'm using a golden color, golden metallic color, just highlighting it with a sponge. These are metallic colors of Fevicryl company. Now take 2 connecting rings and basic hook. Now place the first one. Now take another connecting ring and attach it to the first one. Now take the hook, insert it, press it with plier. Yes, I have covered it with clear varnish. So the next one is stud type earring. This is also my favorite one. Roll 2 balls of clay and press it like this. Now take 2 eye pins, trim off the excess, dip it in Fevicol and fix it. Now roll 2 tiny balls of clay and fix it above that. Now you can see clearly. Now roll some clay. I'm using Fevicol's cap. Make 2 round shapes. Now make 4 balls of clay like this. Now adjust the shape to oval. I need a concave shape, so I'm pressing it in the center in this way. Now using toothpick or a needle, put hole. Now apply Fevicol and fix the clay balls like this. Now using toothpick, making a texture at the corners alone, this is completely optional. Now take the help of toothpick or a refill to hold the shape. Once dried completely, I'm going to paint it black. So this is the base color for this earring. Take the help of toothpick to hold the earring base. Paint them at both sides. Now highlighting this part alone with pinkish orange shade that I have used for the third one. Do that for stud part 2 and allow it to dry. Now attach the stud base to the top portion using super glue. Now take a connecting ring and an eye pin. Insert the eye pin into the connecting ring and then insert the ring into the base and press it. Now, with the help of the plier, make a loop like this and attach it to the top portion. We have already connected eye pin to the top portion. Just connect top and bottom. And the last one is this beautiful jhamka. So take some clay, roll it and cut into 2 equal halves. I'm using jhamka base. You can even use small measuring spoons instead of this. Dust it with some talcum powder and press the clay like this. Remove the excess part with knife and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take it carefully. Yes. And you have to shape it lightly. Now take an eye pin, apply some Fevicol and insert it like this. Repeat the same for other piece and allow it to dry. Now roll some clay cut into equal parts to make beads. Just roll it using any needle. Put hole. Make sure it goes into the eye pin. Then allow it to dry. Now I'm going to use these 3 combinations of color, giving teal blue color for the base, and for the beads I'm using a lemon yellow color. Fix a bead like this so that you can paint it easily. I'm using pearl white color and making a simple design. A curve and a dot at the center. Let it dry. Now insert the bead like this. With the help of the plier, make a loop so that you can insert hooks. You can use basic hooks, but I love that ring type hook. Yes, and we are done. I hope you will love all 5 DIY earrings. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. I have covered the chamka with clear nail paint and other 4 with clear varnish. See you in the next video with another creative idea. Bye bye.